Akanksha, name the
Yeah.
actress who has won the maximum number of awards in film fraternity. Maximum national awards in the film fraternity. Also, the number of awards won. She had successful on-screen chemistry with Rajesh Khanna and had 7 super hit films along with him.
Okay.
So you just need to name the actress with
Okay.
maximum national awards in film fraternity and also maximum number of awards won in general.
Mm-hmm. Mm, Shabana Azmi.
Perfect answer. It is Shabana Azmi. So that's 10 points to Akanksha. Next question goes to Megha.
Yeah.
Yeah, Megha, The Hateful Eight. Okay. The Hateful Eight is a 2015 American Western thriller movie. So there are clues inside the question also. Please listen carefully. It's an American Western thriller movie, right? And about it is about 8 strangers who seek refuge from a blizzard in a stagecoach stopover. Okay. Now, sometime after this is during sometime after the American Civil War. The initial story of the movie was supposed to be a sequel to the director's 2012 movie, but took a slightly different turn. Identify the movie. So basically, the clues are about what kind of a movie it is. American Western thriller. Hateful Eight is an American Western thriller in 2015 by the same director. So I'm
Okay.
asking you, which movie is this? Is this supposed to be a sequel to? The story obviously is a different story, but it was supposed to be a sequel to a 2012 movie, which the director has directed, which the same director has directed. Which movie is this?
Mm, I don't have any idea about this. I don't think. I don't know.
Okay. So I'm just gonna ask you the same. I'm just gonna give you the same question information again, so that I
Okay.
don't give it to the next person. So your clues in the question are American Western thriller movie and after the American Civil War.
Yeah,
These are
yeah,
the
yeah.
two clues. The story is supposed to be after the American Civil War, and it is an American Western thriller movie. Any answer?
No, I really don't have any clue about this.
Okay, no problem. The question moves to Ravi. Ravi, you're on mute. Did you say pass?
Yes, I did. Mhm.
All right. The question moves to Rohit.
Is it Django Unchained?
It is Django Unchanged. Amazing answer. So the next question goes to Ravi.
Mhm.
Ravi, this is basically the protagonist said this. This is a something that the protagonist said. He says, if you have any ideas for a script, please call Universal. We've gone so far from the book, which is by Robert Ludlum. From the book, he wrote it as a trilogy, and we've really kind of ignored that plot because it was very Cold War. Okay. And so, in the updating process, we kind of threw out most of what he had. So, we are kind of on our own to find a third one. Okay. So, Dash is the name of the movie, is the third one. And I feel like I've given ultimatums in both the first two. Now, what is the name of the movie and who is the protagonist? You'll be getting five points for each. You can read it again. This is in the way that the protagonist would talk
Okay.
in general. So, what is the name of the movie?
Sorry, Soumya. Sorry.
Oh, okay. The question moves to Rohit.
It's Bourne Ultimatum, and the protagonist is Jason Bourne.
Awesome. Amazing. Amazing answer. So the clue was in him saying that I feel like, and I feel like I've given ultimatums in both the first two. Okay, so the next question goes to Rohit. George Lucas came up with the idea for Something Smith. Okay, Something Smith is the name of the movie. Around the same time as Star Wars. George Lucas pitched the idea to Steven Spielberg at a Hawaiian resort while hiding out during the release of Star Wars in the May of 1977. So during Star Wars releases, these people are not to be seen outside because people literally raid their houses and everything. So they hide out during the releases. The director later teamed up to make the film. However, Steven Spielberg convinced George Lucas to change the lead characters' names since Smith sounded too plain and ordinary. What are we? Who are we talking about? Who are we talking about? Well, who and yeah.
Is it Indiana Jones?
It is Indiana Jones. All right, it is Indiana Jones. Correct answer. So next question goes to Siddharut. Siddharut, like you saw the question, this is the question. This is basically a abstract. It's like an abstract poster of a movie. It's a minimalist poster, and I want you to tell me which movie are we talking about. It's an abstract poster of a scene in the movie. Can you see the entire poster? I hope you can.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and also there is a clue for you with the tagline of the movie: "The unexpected virtue of ignorance."
No idea.
You can, yeah, okay. You can look at the shadow. You can look at the person. All right, that's not a problem.
Yeah.
Are you passing? Yeah, it
Yeah,
goes to Suraj.
No idea.
Okay, it goes to Akanksha. Akanksha? Is Akanksha there in the?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
Yeah.
Just a second. I'll just take
Sure,
a
sure.
second.
Sorry, I didn't see your. I'm not getting all the pictures actually.
Is it Predator?
It's not Predator. The question moves to Megha.
No, I don't have any idea about it.
That's fine. Moves to Ravi.
Nope.
Okay, Rohit.
Is it the Incredible Hulk?
No. It again comes back to Siddharut. Okay, I have to give you a clue. So this movie had one of the longest single take sequence, like one of the longest single take sequence, where it is not the longest, but it is in one of the longest ones, and it also has won the Oscars. Oh, sorry guys. It actually did not win the Oscars. Apparently, it only got nominated, and I can tell you one thing. So I'll tell you the summary of the movie. Maybe you will get it from there. Regan Thompson is an American actor, starred in the superhero film trilogy Dash. That's the name of the movie also. The story also has this movie's name in the movie. And that's the name of the movie that you have to guess as well. He wants to stage a play based on his own screenplay, direction, and acting, and based on
Birdman?
yes, that is the name of the movie. It is Birdman. This is one of the famous starting scene of the movie where you get confused
Yeah.
as to what is he doing, what exactly the movie is about. That is Birdman. Okay.
Seems the MTNL phone here.
Huh?
From the shadow, I can see MTNL ka phone.
Yes. So the next question, this was Siddharud's direct itself, right? So the next question goes to Suraj. Suraj, the show was named by Margaret Herrick, the academian librarian, who remarked in 1931 upon seeing the statuette, "Why, it looks like my Uncle X." What is X?
No idea.
Okay. The question moves to Akanksha. Margaret Herrick, who's the academy librarian, remarked,
Mm,
by looking at the statues, she remarked, "Why, it looks like my Uncle X."
no idea. I can pass.
Moves to Megha.
No, I don't know.
Moves to Ravi.
No, no idea.
Moves to Rohit.
Will pass.
Oh man. Moves to Siddharud.
Uncle John.
Sorry? No.
Uncle John.
No. So it goes to Suraj. Suraj, I'm giving you a clue now. So Suraj, we are talking about a show, right? We are talking about a show, and a show which involves statues. It's a show which involves statues, and the name of the show is the name of the uncle, and it involves many actresses, actors, directors, and all the cast and crew of every movie attending the show.
No idea, Soumya.
Okay, the next it passes to Akanksha.
Miranda?
No, it passes to Megha.
No, I don't know.
Ravi.
Pass.
I don't know.
Okay, Rohit.
Is it something to do with two swords?
No. It finally passes to Siddharud.
No idea.
Okay, the show we are talking about is the Oscars, guys. She's the Academy librarian. Academy Awards, which is Oscars are also called Academy Awards. So she's the one who named the show as Oscars. This is said that she's named the show Oscars out of it. Okay, she's also a part of the committee of Oscars. Okay, so the next question. This was Suraj's direct, right?
Yes.
The next question goes to Akanksha. Akanksha, these are two goof ups that happened in a movie which people have spotted out and they are talking about it. Okay, two goof ups. First goof up is while Dash. I removed the names over here because it would be easy to understand the movie. So look at the goof up. While Dash comes out of the Banaras jail when he is arrested for the first time for having pistol with him during search in train, we can clearly see mobile battery etc. not allowed in the right side of the jail door. So in the right side of the jail door, mobile battery is not allowed करके लिखा है उसमें. Okay.
Yeah.
But since the scene was of early 90s, the mobile phone was not used widely during those days. तो scene तो 90s का था, लेकिन जेल के कोने में mobile phones not used करके लिखा था. तो this is a goof up that people have figured out कि movie में ये goof up था. Okay. Now the next goof up is when Dash chases Dash on streets, one can easily see that vehicles on the roads have number plates with registration number of UP65, which is Varanasi. Even the public transport vehicles also have registered number of Varanasi, which is only possible if the location is in Varanasi. But the location is said to be portrayed in the state of Jharkhand.
Okay.
लोकेशन तो झारखंड का होना चाहिए लेकिन वाराणसी में ये हो रहा है. So you can understand when you can check the clues and you can tell me what movie is it. You don't have to fill in the blanks. You just need to tell me which movie is this.
Gangs of Wasepur.
It is Gangs of Wasseypur. Nice answer. It is Gangs. The next question goes to Megha.
Yeah.
Megha, okay, so this is during the writing of Satya, RGV described the film's lead character as X. Okay, so and in Mumbai Underworld, basically he is X, and X is the protagonist of a famous novel by Y in 1943, written by an author who developed a new philosophical system called objectivism. The opening image of Mani Ratnam's Ravan is similar to the book's opening. So book का जो opening scene है, जो लिखा है, is similar to the short sequence that you're seeing on the right side. You don't have to think about Mani Ratnam's Ravan, but the short sequence that you're seeing over here is exactly the opening of the book as well.
Okay.
Opening scene in the book as well. Okay. And this is
Okay.
the opening, this is the book. The book's protagonist is the person that RGV said Satya was inspired from.
So book का नाम चाहिए क्या?
So book,
I
the
want
name of the
so
book or
yes,
the...
I need the name of the book. Yeah, you don't have to tell the name of the author, just the name of the book.
No, I don't know. I don't have any idea.
Ravi,
You have the book. The lead character itself is Satya. Book. No idea.
okay, moves to Rohit.
Is it Dongri Chal?
No. Moves to Siddharut.
Sorry, no idea.
Suraj,
No.
Akanksha.
Not a clue.
Okay, now I'm gonna give you a clue. The book was by Ayn Rand. The author of the book is Ayn Rand.
The Fountainhead.
Yes, that is the name of the book. Amazing. It's from Fountainhead. This is the first sequence where Howard Rourke stands on the side of the hill and he falls. So Mani Ratnam ne बहुत अच्छा sequence बनाया. So the next question, this was Megha's direct only, right? Yeah. So
Correct.
now we'll be going to Ravi. Ravi, this is a recreated photo of some random two people. Okay. These people have recreated a famous movie scene from a famous movie scene, and they have recreated the two characters in that movie. They have done that. They've basically done a small gag of what the scene was. So you can look at the costumes, you can look at the props and tell me what is the name of the movie. Sorry, I forgot telling you. It's a Hollywood film.
Yeah. No idea.
Moves to Rohit.
Is this Back to the Future?
It is Back to the Future. It is Back to the Future, the famous scene where the doc hits the what was that? Plutonium. Yeah, overdoes plutonium and the car just goes off. Now the next question goes to Rohit again. Rohit, this is a Lego City ka recreation of a famous movie. It's a area. It's a location of a famous movie in a famous movie. Which area are we talking about? You can look at the characters. You can look at the buildings and tell me which area are we talking about. It's a Lego
This is
creation.
Diagon Alley, Harry Potter.
That's awesome answer. It is Diagon Alley, and Weasley Wizard Weezes is also there. The next question goes to Siddharud. Siddharud, this is a movie poster, again, a very minimalist movie poster of a Bollywood movie.
Okay.
Okay. Have a look at the poster and tell me which movie are we talking about. It's a very famous Bollywood movie.
Mystery or Miss?
No. The question moves to Suraj.
जुड़वा है क्या?
No. The question moves to Akanksha.
अंदाज अपना अपना.
It is Andaz Apna Apna. Mark udhar hai. So it is Andaz Apna Apna. This is the famous dialogue of Teja Main hu, Mark idhar hai. Okay, so the next question, this was Siddharud's question, right? Now the question goes to Suraj. Suraj, Alok Nath, as you know who is, what is the debut movie of Alok Nath? Very straightforward question.
मैंने प्यार किया.
Nahi. Akanksha. It's a very famous movie, Akanksha.
Yeah, just a minute. I think it is Gandhi.
It is Gandhi. Amazing answer, dude. Really good answer. It is Gandhi. He was Tibet Muhammad in Gandhi. Now the next question. This was Suraj's question, right? The next. I think we are done with 12 questions. So we will
Yeah,
be
order reversal.
reversing the order, and we'll be asking Suraj the next question again. Suraj. This is something said by a person. He said, a man takes a girl to the movie, right? They're watching the movie and then they bend down to get some popcorn. In doing so, they miss my cameo. Now the movie ends and they say, my God, we missed so-and-so's cameo. So what do? They run to the box office and buy 2 more tickets and see it again. That's why the movies do well, because they have my cameos. So we are talking about multiple movies here, and we are talking about a person telling why those multiple movies do well.
No idea.
Okay, this is a sorry, I have to tell you, this is a Hollywood movie that we are talking about.
और क्या बोला सौम्या?
Hollywood movie है.
नहीं पता.
ठीक है. The question goes to Siddharud.
No idea.
Okay, the question goes to Rohit.
Is it Stanley?
It is Stanley's cameos
Marvel.
in all the Marvel movies. So he was there in every Avenger and every Marvel movie in general. He was the creator of Marvel as well, characters as well. So he was there in every, and people look out for his cameo. So this is what he said about it. The next question goes to Siddharut. This, we are talking about a city here. The city, I mean, a place here. The city actually exists, but the folklore is not present anywhere, which is consistent with the theory that Hastar, he who must never be worshipped, would never be written about.
Tumbad.
That is the right answer. Amazing answer. Okay. The next question goes to Rohit. Now, in the movie Omkara, directed by Vishal Bharadwaj, which actor was chosen as a first choice by the director for the role Langda Tyage?
Was it Amir Khan?
Amazing answer. It was Amir Khan. Okay, so the next question goes to Ravi. Ravi, your question is, this Academy Awards winning god, worked as a mechanic in the US Air Force. Incidentally, he also played the role of a role of Carter Chambers, a mechanic with terminal illness in his movie. So basically, this person, there is a clue in the question, but this person basically was worked as a mechanic in the US Air Force before he started movies. And incidentally, he also played the role of a mechanic with terminal illness in one of his movies. The name of the character is Carter Chambers. Who are we talking about? There is a clue in the first line of the question.
So my pass.
Okay, so Ravi said it goes to Megha.
Morgan Freeman.
It is Morgan Freeman. Amazing answer, Megha. Yeah, the clue was God.
God, yes.
Yeah.
Carter
So
Chambers was bucket listed.
is from bucket list, exactly. So the next question is to Megha again.
Yeah.
Megha, name the actor or actress and the movie name which had the famous dialogue. When I say actor or actress, I'm not telling you who said this dialogue.
Okay. So we have to give the movie and the actor or actress.
So I will give you I will give you 5 points for telling the actor or actress and 5 points for guessing the movie name.
Is it Laksh?
No, it's not Laksh. The question moves to Akanksha.
Avarapan.
Yes, it is Avarapan. And can you tell me the name of the actor?
Imran Hashmi.
No, the question, but you will be getting 5 points. The question moves to Suraj.
No idea.
The question,
Okay.
the question moves to Siddharut.
Sanjay Dutt.
No. The question moves to Ravi.
Ashutosh Rana.
मेरा था.
Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry.
ठीक है.
Rohit, did you have the answer?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, guys.
ठीक है. Ravi gets 5.
Oh boy. Are you sure? We can just. Okay.
No, it's okay.
Okay, Ravi gets 5 and Akanksha gets 5. Sorry, Rohit. The next question is supposed to go. This was Megha's direct, right?
Yes.
So the next question goes to Akanksha. Akanksha,
Yeah.
in the Halloween scene where Dash, this person, or this person sees a child in a Yoda costume and seems to recognize him, suggests that they are from the same galaxy. In Star Wars Episode 1, The Phantom Menace, in the Galactic Senate scene, where all the senators are in their feet shouting, you can see the same species among the Senate pods in the lower right corner. So we are talking about two movies. In one movie, in the Halloween scene, where Dash sees a child in a Yoda costume and seems to recognize him, suggests that they are from the same galaxy. Okay? And we see the same species of the blank that we are talking about in the first question in Star Wars in one of the scenes. So which goes out to prove that the species that we are talking about and Yoda are from the same, they are from the same galaxy.
Yeah, I'll pass
This
it
is
on.
basically a fan theory.
Yeah, I'll pass it on. I've not seen Star Wars.
The movie, it goes to Suraj.
No idea.
It goes to Siddharud.
No idea.
Okay, Rohit.
Is it Chewbacca?
No, it's not. And it goes to Ravi.
No idea.
Goes to Megha.
No, I don't know.
Okay, Akanksha, the question was for you, so I'm going to give you a clue. Okay, so the Halloween scene is from a Steven Spielberg movie. And as you know, Star Wars is a George Lucas movie. They both are really good friends. And the Halloween scene is from a Steven Spielberg movie, which involves a certain species. Which, as the question says, is similar to Yoda's species in the same galaxy. They are from the same galaxy.
No clue. Sorry.
Okay, the question goes to Suraj.
नहीं पता.
The question goes to Siddharud.
Something related to ET?
It is ET. It is ET. So it is said to be of the same galaxy it's a fan theory. It is ET. Okay, so that is 5 points for Siddharud. The next question goes to Suraj. Suraj, this actor who in question won the Filmfare Award for the Best Actor in a Comic Role for the year 1999. Directed by Tigmanshu Dhulia, who is also from Gangs of Wasseypur and a very famous director. The movie also stars Jimmy Shergill and Ashutosh Rana. Which movie are we talking about here?
याद नहीं आ
रहा. The question, are you passing?
Yes.
Passes to Siddharud.
Sorry, no idea.
Passes to Rohit.
Is it Delhi Heights?
No. You need to tell me the actor.
No clue. Pass.
Okay, so Akanksha, are you saying something? Okay, you're reading it out loud. Oh, like Ravi.
No idea.
Megha.
I did not quite understand the question. So this actor won the Filmfare Award for the Best Actor in a Comic Role in that year, directed by
The
Tigmanshu Dhulia.
the movie for which he won the Best Actor
Okay.
in Comic Role is directed by Tigmanshu Dhulia, starring Jimmy
Okay.
Shergill and Ashutosh Rana. You don't have to tell me the movie's name. You need to tell me the actor's name.
Okay. Paresh Rawal?
No. The question goes to Akanksha. Was this your direct, Akanksha? No, na? Yeah.
No. I have no idea. I mean, just-
ठीक है
Irfan Khan?
Amazing answer, Akanksha. It is
No.
Irfan Khan. Really amazing.
Hasil.
Yes, it is from the
Arey
movie
yaar.
Hassel. Yeah. Siddharud, next question is for you. Now look at the movie titles. So the movie titles, nothing to do with movie. The movie titles have a connection in them. What is that connection are we talking about? So there is Jeepers Creepers, Pretty Woman, Beautiful Day in the Neighborhood, American Pie, Sweet Home Alabama. These are the movie titles of 5 movies. What is the connection between these movie titles?
Something to related with just the titles, right?
Yeah. You don't have to be watching these movies.
No clue actually.
Can I pass it?
Yeah.
Okay, passing to Rohit.
Are they all based in Alabama?
No. Ravi? Only look at the titles.
Okay. Pass.
Sorry?
Pass.
Okay, moves to Megha.
Mm, it's related to something that's beautiful or sweet or something like that. Everything is sweet or everything is beautiful, something like that.
No.
Because there's American Pie, Sweet Home Alabama, and all that.
Yeah, not really. But okay, so it moves to Akanksha.
Multi-starrers.
No, you're still thinking about the movie. I just need you to tell me what is the connection in the titles.
The letter E, the alphabet E. It's common in all of the titles.
Very good answer, but that's not what I'm looking for. The question moves to Suraj.
No idea. Positing Pretty Woman.
Now it's going. Sorry, can I pass it? Okay, Siddharud. So these are all movie titles, right?
Yeah.
But they are also titles of another art form.
Play.
No. The question moves to Rohit. So the clue is the titles are also titles of another art form.
Something to do with bakery, baking.
No. Moves to Ravi.
No idea.
Okay. Moves to Megha.
Mm. No, I don't know.
Okay. Moves to Akanksha.
All the names are derived from some kind of novels or something or books.
Not really. No. The question moves to Suraj. Okay, finally. Okay, so no one got the answer. It's actually they're all names of songs, guys. Jeepers Creepers, Pretty Woman, Beautiful Day in the Neighborhood, American Pie, and Sweet Home Alabama. They're all names of songs. Okay, so the question was to Siddharud. So the the next direct is to Rohit. Rohit, Sameer Mondal is one of India's most renowned watercolor artists. His work played an integral part of an emotional climax of a 2007 Hindi film, which involves the use of watercolors. Which movie are we talking about?
Is it Tare Zameen Par?
It is Tare Zameen Par. Really good answer. So these were the two paintings that Samir Mondal has painted for the movie. The next question goes to Ravi. Ravi, identify this actor with.
Jim Carrey.
It is Jim Carrey. Good answer. The next question goes to Megha.
Yeah.
Anupam Kher played a character titled Disco Killer in Jaane Bhi Do Yaro, but his role was edited for length. ठीक है? So he was not there in Jaane Bhi Do Yaro. But his role in a 2011 Hindi film unfortunately met the similar fate. He wasn't there in the movie, where he played the adoptive father of one of the lead characters, originally titled as Running with the Bulls. Which film is this? The original title of the movie earlier was Running with the Bulls, but it has been changed. It's a 2011 Hindi film where Anupam Kher was to play the adoptive father of one of the lead characters, but he didn't.
Okay.
So essentially, the first part of the question is not really what you have to look
Yeah.
into. The second part is where, yeah.
No, I don't know.
Okay. The question goes to Akanksha.
No clue.
Okay. The question goes to Suraj. Suraj, movie ka pehle naam is Running with the Bulls, but that's not the movie's name that came out. Original naam Running the Bulls, they thought they will keep the name, but it's not that. And Anupam Kher was supposed to play adoptive father of one of the lead characters, but he wasn't. So two things that weren't. What is that?
Desi Boys.
No, it's not Desi Boys. Moves to Siddharud.
No clue.
Okay, moves to Rohit.
Is it Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara?
It is Zindagi.
Farhan Akhtar's adopted.
Correct. Anupam Kher was Running with the Bulls was the clue, guys. Usme they run with the bulls. In the movie War, where does Kabir give Khalid the name of the second target?
In the metro?
That is the right answer. In the metro. Okay, we are done with the quiz, guys. Thank you for playing. I'll just tell you the results.
पोस्टर में ऋतिक वर्सेस टाइगर में उन लोग का नाम एक्सचेंज भी किया.
हाँ ना? Shit. Okay, so the winner of the quiz is Rohit with 90 points. Akanksha gets 75, who's the runner-up. They both will be qualified for the semi-finals. Megha gets 20, Ravi gets 15, Siddharud gets 25, and Suraj, we better luck next time, dude. I'll come with better questions for sure.
Bollywood especially.
हाँ, सिर्फ Bollywood का रखेंगे next time. So are these scores correct, Nikhil?
I think Akanksha is 60. Doesn't change the outcome, but Akanksha is 65 and Siddharud is 30.
Oh, okay. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
I gave extra points for Akanksha somewhere.
Yeah.
No, I
But yeah,
can give
Akanksha
it back
still gets
again.
2, so yeah.
I might have given 10 points instead of 5 when the questions
Correct.
got.
Correct. Yeah, that question.
It's okay.
where
I'm happy. I have
smartphones
no
were there.
complaint.
Yeah, no, you still are qualified for the semi-finals.
Okay.
So that is the quiz. Thank you so much, guys, for playing. Rohit got
Thank
stuck
you
in
so
a very
much, all
weird
of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.